Let's take a look at two Chrome accessibility features that allow me to change my voice into text. The first one we're going to look at is in our accessibility features down in my start menu and accessibility. I can turn on dictation. And you'll see when I click dictation, I'll get the green check that it's on. I'll also get this small microphone icon on the bottom. And that tells me that I'm ready to change my voice to text. The good thing about using the dictation accessibility feature is that it can be used across apps, websites, and other applications on your Chromebook. So if I open a new tab and I want to conduct a search, I click where I want to type and I can turn on this dictation feature. Chrome accessibility features. You can see the microphone automatically turned off when I paused my speaking and it was able to type what I said, and now I can conduct that search using my voice. I can also use dictation to type in a Google Doc. So if I have a blank Google document, I can click where I want to type and I can turn on this dictation button to start. This is a sample document, period. You can see when I paused my speech, again, the microphone turned off automatically. This can be frustrating if you're trying to write a long document, and you can also see that it does not automatically capitalize the beginning of a sentence. However, Google's new grammar feature does allow you to click and will give you a suggestion to change that. Now, if you're going to be using voice to text in a Google Doc to create a longer document, I actually recommend that you don't use dictation, so you can turn off that dictation feature. And instead, we're going to use a tool under our tools menu called voice typing. Voice typing is going to give me a lot more options, and it works a lot more fluidly with Google Docs than dictation does. Obviously, because it runs right inside of Google Docs. So again, on the outside, most basic, I can click on it to speak. This is a sample document, period. Now with this microphone, you noticed it did not turn off as soon as I stopped speaking. I have to actually click to turn it off. This can be good when you're trying to maintain your train of thought and you don't have to continuously turn the microphone on when you pause to think about something. So some great features about using this tool instead of dictation is that you can see it did automatically capitalize the first letter of the sentence for me. But a really great feature is that if I hover over it and get this question mark, I can see my voice typing help. And over here, it will show me all of the commands that I can use with my voice within voice typing. So I'm not just using it to type, I can also use it to select text or even format my document. And this gives me all of the voice commands that I can use. So let's see it. If I want to change the text color, I would say text color and then the color. So let's try it. Text color red. Text color blue. Background color yellow. Highlight green. No highlight. Now you can see I have to use these specific commands in order for it to work. So I can change the font, I can change my paragraphs formatting. As long as I use these specific voice commands, I can use my voice to change a lot of things right within my document. And I'm ready. I can turn voice typing off, but you can see voice typing is a much more fluid tool to use within Google Docs because it allows you to do more with it. Whereas dictation works across different apps, websites, and other Chrome applications.